Hello everyone and welcome to my channel from Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and crispy hash browns. This is perfect for breakfast. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first we'll take 3 raw peeled potatoes and grate them using the larger grater holes. Keep the potatoes in water to avoid browning. Now squeeze and add the potatoes to ice cold water. Keep the potatoes in cold water for 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer the potatoes to a cloth. Pat dry the potatoes. Transfer the potatoes to a kadai and add water so that the potatoes get completely immersed. Add half teaspoon salt and heat on medium flame and bring to a boil. Transfer the potatoes to a strainer and wash with room temperature water. Transfer it onto a cloth and pat dry. Now squeeze out the excess water and transfer the potatoes to a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, sprinkle oregano, add minced garlic. I have minced 6 to 7 pods and 2 green chilies chopped. Mix everything with a spoon. For first coating, add 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Do not mash the potatoes, just lightly coat them. Now for second coating, we'll add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Coat the potatoes well. Sprinkle little water so that the mixture becomes a little bit of sticky and it is easy to combine. The mixture should be like this. Take a portion of the mixture and give oblong shape. Keep it on a baking sheet. Prepare all the hash browns and chill in freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Our hash browns have turned hard now. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the hash browns on medium flame. Flip and cook from both the sides. Our hash browns have become perfectly brown and crispy. Take them out and serve hot. See how crispy our hash browns are. This is just perfect for breakfast or anytime snacking. So do try it out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.